For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to elder law. Think of elder law as being under the umbrella of estate planning. Elder law focuses on key issues when we're alive compared to estate planning that focuses more on after death. Elder law deals with wills and trusts, seniors' rights, medical care, asset protection, VA benefits, and much more. So while really any attorney can put these essential documents together, it's the elder law attorney who focuses on them and is said to specialize in them. We know several really good elder law attorneys here in the St. Louis metropolitan area, and we'd love to introduce you to them. Many of these folks offer free, no obligation consultations, and you can check them out on our seniorlearninginstitute.com website. Check out the resource page, the video and library pages. You'll get to meet some of them, or you can call us directly at 314-400-8102. That's 314-400-8102, and we'll be happy to introduce you to an elder law attorney. Please keep in mind that with elder law attorneys, and really any attorney, they can't be proactive and reach out to you. You need to reach out to them. It's whether you call them or send them an email, you need to initiate contact with attorneys. It's just the way it goes. For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb, looking forward to helping you soon.